throwback ko ako nung nakita ko yung post ni MJ ng 2016 trend, may hashtag pa. Yun nga, ito yung mag-share ka pala ng mga random photos
Yes.
from 2016, share mo online. Pero ako hindi random, talagang pinili ko mabuti. Kasi kung di ko pipiliin mabuti, 2,000 plus pictures pa
Grabe!
lang nasa old phone ko ng 2016.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
2,000
Marami ba yun?
Actually, kasi
Kasi buong taon parang konti pa nga yun.
hindi ko na nga alam kung
binilip
saan ko
doon.
nalagay yung mga photos ko noong 2016.
Ayun, nasa old phone ko naman.
Grabe.
Eto na. Ako ba to?
Oo, ito.
Oh,
Ako
kayo
to,
to.
ang entry ko
Yan,
riyan,
yan.
ang aming wedding picture ni Oscar.
Yeah.
At syempre,
Ay, ang ganda-ganda
yung clips
mo,
namin mag-asawa
Jay! Super
with my
ganda.
long hair. O, diba? Ayan.
Pero natin pakita.
Pakita, ayan, para makita
igaling mo.
nila. Ayan, nagpunta kami,
Ito,
honeymoon
kwento
kami
mo.
sa Europe niyan, sa Amsterdam.
Yun.
Hi, Gabo, o, diba? At syempre, meron pa kaming mga pinuntahan New York kung saan kami na-engage. Bumalik kami dyan.
Central Park.
Central Park. Ayan. Ayan ang Manila Bay.
Pansin.
Manila Bay.
I know that was the last photo in your carousel.
Yes, January 30, 2016.
Love
That
it.
would be a decade ago today. I can't believe it's been a
Grabe,
decade since
no?
kinasal ako.
Yeah.
I feel like, alam mo yon, parang feeling ko ano pa lang ako noon eh.
Feel like it's just
Yeah,
day
just
one
yesterday.
It's just like yesterday.
Grabe.
Ayan. Tell me the story of this photo.
Oh, okay, this
Celine
is
Bag.
AC Nichols, dating CNN reporter. Pero ano ko to, best friend, isa yun sa mga best friend ko nung college. Sumunod siya sa amin sa New York. Oo. So, it was the first na girls trip sa New York. Ayan,
Pero
pakita natin sa
ganda
kanila.
ng shot, 'di ba?
Oo.
Central Park.
Ayan, ito.
Autumn ba 'yan kasi iba yung color ng
Sobrang
trees.
favorite ko kasi yung fall. Kaya
Oo,
yung
fall,
theme
me
din ng
also.
kasal ko is fall. So pupunta kami ng New York ng fall. Ayan, October. Tapos noon, ito naman sa sa Wisconsin. Sa bahay ng tita ko yan. Ang ganda.
So from New York, nag-Wisconsin ka.
Yes, so Midwest. First time ko sa Midwest at napakaganda pala talaga ng Midwest. Ito naman,
Ang fresh!
oo, Southeast
Freshness.
Asian
Pakita mo
star.
sa TikTok yung
Ayan,
freshness factor.
si Yuna. Fan ba kayo ni Yuna? Sino yung mahilig sa music? Ayan, kasama ko siya. Nakita ko lang din. So, sinama ko na rin.
Lumapit ka sa kanya.
Oo. Hindi, ano yan? Coverage sa Singapore.
I see.
Ayan,
Singapore.
oo. Bata pa lang ako, gala na ako.
Oo nga. Ayan,
Pero 26,
Brooklyn.
ayan, sa Dumbo, sa New York.
Kala ko Brooklyn
Ayun.
Bridge.
Correct.
Next.
Ayan, ate. Kasama ko ate ko, si Tanya, sa Lake Tahoe, sa California.
Si Tanya ba yung malalang mahilig sa BTS?
Yeah, hindi yung isa kong kapatid
Ay,
pa
isa
yun.
ba yun?
Oo. Ayan naman sa San Francisco, nagpunta rin kami ni Oscar dyan. Binisita namin siya.
Ang
kasi
galing,
taga
May
dyan
Sanfo
siya.
picture din ako ng 2016. We were both in Sanfo pala.
Wow!
Pakita ko
Hindi
sa'yo.
kasi di ba yun, pag anniversary yun ng December, states ang pinupuntahan nyo dati.
Correct. Pero we went ng birthday ko. Mamaya pakita ko. So ito, anong month na to?
Ayan, ito, Spring. Spring yan sa Pisa.
Tower of Pisa.
Tower of Pisa.
Anong nangyari? Nag-aaway ba kayo dyan?
Hindi, wala.
Nagsisigawan kayo? Charot lang.
Kasi GoPro pa yung,
Project lang.
yung camera nun. So, uma-acting lang kami para sa video namin. Dahil wala pa atang nun, masyado, wala pang TikTok nun. Mahilig na kayo mga ganyan ni Oscar.
Oo.
Ayan, sa
Street? Saan to?
Oo, Manhattan Bridge. Yung
Wow.
nakikita ninyo. Ay, Brooklyn Bridge ba yan? Brooklyn Bridge overlooking Freedom Tower and Lower Manhattan.
Love it.
Oo. So, yun yung mga, at ayan, syempre sa Paris, Arc de Triomphe.
Yun.
Ayan. So, isa yan sa first time namin
Hey.
sa Paris niyan, 2016.
Dami nangyaring travels, no?
Oo. Ayan, Japan with my best friends.
Yun.
Oo.
Parang alam ko tong lugar na to.
Ayan, sa Skytree.
Oo.
Tapos, may mga sakura.
Yes,
Oo.
Sakura time to. Rome.
Rome, oo.
Axe.
Yan din. So, yun yung mga paborito namin puntahan.
Gladiator.
Oo. Ayan, sa rin. Yun yung foil foliage sa Mauston.
Galing.
Yun. So, yung mga kaartehan ko noon, mga kapatid.
At
Ayan.
ang ganda-ganda mo
Uy,
talaga.
thank you.
Wedding day mo so radiant.
Thank you so much, Mamu.
Grabe.
Oo.
Ito naman yung akin.
Wow, pakita na natin yung kay Mamu.
Siyempre, by month to. By month.
month. I love
tayo
it.
So, yung January, to start the year, January 31, birthday na anak namin. He was only 6 years old. So, ito ang kanyang Star Wars themed birthday. Nakakostume kami lahat. Maraming salamat kay Mimi Ferrero Lazaro of Bumblebee Costume. Doon kami nagpagawa ng costume. Ayan. Hindi po si Julius yung yung, sino ba yun? Pangalan nun?
Chewbacca.
Si Chewbacca, hindi. Ayun si Julius sa tabi. Siya yung siya si
Anakin.
Harrison Ford.
Si Harrison Ford.
Oo, siya yun. So, ayan po, 6th birthday. Let's go on to the next photo kasi yun yung solo ni Neo. Ito, wala yung solo ni Neo. Ito naman, Feb 26, 2016 din. Birthday ni Tony, 11 years old siya. That was the time and the day when she started doing cosplay. Up to now, nagka-cosplay si Tony. In fact, she is in Japan right now. In Osaka with her boyfriend.
Bumalik.
And they're doing cosplay in Universal.
Wow.
So, ganyan kahilig si Tony. So, she was only 11 years old then.
Grabe, 10
Eh,
years.
naka-cosplay costume siya, yung Miku costume. Tapos, yung October naman, ayan na, sinasabi ko siya, 2016 October, that's where I celebrated my 46th birthday. On the very day of my birthday, nasa LA kami, that's when we arrived. So, ayan, may pa-surprise na birthday cake for me. And then, we were with Orestes Ojeda, who already passed away, our good friend Louie, anyan si Nicole, at saka si Madam Lori, kumaring Lori ko. Ayan ang aming jump shot. Yung panahon na ito, wala pa akong sakit sa tuhod, kaya lahat ng pupuntahan namin may jump shot kami. Ayan, with the Hollywood sign. It was our first time to go to that Hollywood, that near, sa Hollywood sign. And then we also
Grand
went
Canyon.
to, yes, the Grand Canyon. So, tinan mo, may pa-jump, kayang-kaya pa ni
Grabe,
Mamu.
nag-jump shot si
Pa-jump
Mamu.
shot. Ayan, tinan mo, may date, Talagang screenshot ko with the date, November 2016.
Anong lesson dyan sa mga jump shot? Kung kaya mo pa jump
Yes,
jump
exactly.
shot ka
Kahit
na.
katabi ka pa ng Grand Canyon, huwag kang matakot. Jump ka lang. Wag lang doon sa...
Jump ka dahil yung tuhod mo, hindi na ganun after one
Wala
decade.
na, nagka-PFPS na ako eh.
Oo.
O sige, ayan din. So, syempre, sweet-sweetan. Next picture. It was also special kasi nagkaroon kami ng reunion with my high school besties sa Union Square sa, Union Square in San Francisco sa lobby ng isang hotel. And then it was also the time na I met with my college bestie naman, si
Wow!
Leslie Villaraza. Buhay pa nun si Carr kasi he passed on already. At that time, we went to the vineyard, we had lunch there.
Grabe naman ang bittersweet pala mag-throwback.
Yeah.
And, what
Scar
makes this
already
more
passed
what
on.
makes this more special is you're throwing it back with a whole generation right now. You're throwing this back with a whole
With the Gen
audience,
Z and
with the
millennials
Gen Z, with the millennials,
watching.
with the Gen Alpha.
Yeah.
Lahat tayo nagto-throwback. Siyempre,
Yes.
Gen Alpha hindi pa ata buhay. Pero,
Di pa yata.
pero
Ay, tatapusin ko lang dahil
nagti-throwback
11:01 na.
Ay, 11:01, oh my God.
So, December 8, our wedding anniversary. You're right. Every anniversary, we would travel as a family. So, we went to Hong Kong. So, yan yon. Ayan, boy pa si Kat Kat, Now, she has passed on. Noong 2020, she was still alive. There's Kat Kat, with a Mickey Mouse headband. And there's Mami Sena. And then also in 2016, we would always have our annual family picture. Ayan, pakita mo sa kanila, wag ako dyan. Yeah, family picture in our home, bago pa yung bahay.
Ganda, ganda ng
So, family
bahay.
photo by Stanley Ong. And then finally, in 2016, December 21, my mom, wala pa siyang dementia niyan.
wow.
My mother, Mama Ching, I love you, Mama. When I saw this, napaiyak ako, napaluha ako sa car kanina. Kasi nga, that time, wala pa siyang dementia. Now, may dementia na ho siya, diagnosed in 2022. And then last picture, ayan, with my daughter, si Tony nga, when she celebrated her birthday, December 21. So that wraps up my 2016 from January to December